team and we're just trying to get used to play with whoever yung makasama namin sa loob ng court. So whatever the coaches ask from us, whether it's me inside or Kyle inside, we're just really ready to support each other. Same way na we have a lot of liberos, but whoever is inside is always supported by those on the outside.
Diyan mga ilang percent na yung ano nyo, na yung chemistry nyo? Kasi alam naman natin, ba, kung dumating ka, may mga bago, yung iba galing injury, mga malapit na yung competition
Yun nga the coaches have a better data about that kasi kami, we're really getting used to play with each other. It's a long tournament. The tournament format is quite hectic also. So kami, we have to learn how to play with each other. That it's the same thing as yung sa national team. We have a Cream 9 pool also that we have to be ready to play with at any given time of the tournament.
Ano mo naman masasabi mo sa pagbabalik mo, parang ibang-ibang PVL field na yung makikita mo?
Yeah, actually, magti 3 years na akong wala sa PVL. So, but it doesn't mean I wasn't watching when the other teams were evolving also. So very excited talaga ako to see how much PVL has changed, and you know, I would really love to embrace the challenge. So excited kami lahat.
Sa iyo, Gia, siguro anong Gia yung makikita na babalik sa PBL after Alas and yung Japan din?
That's a question na I'm asking myself also kasi with all of the teams stepping up, with a new Creamline team coming together, parang I'm also trying to find my way with the team. Parang hopefully yung mga natutunan din namin sa international, madala ko rin sa PVL at sa Creamline, but at the same time, whatever the team needs from me, I will be ready to support and do my best to deliver.